What's up, team? Huge progress this last week and a bit. We've got the hallway all finished up into the office. We've got ceiling, all the walls up, window frame up, electrical, ethernet, everything in place. Forgot to turn the laser off. And what else we got done? Print room, walls are done except for the back wall. Some plumbing left to do. Plumber's coming tomorrow. That finished up. And jib stopping starts hopefully tomorrow afternoon. Got the guys coming in to basically start cleaning everything up. That looks really bad. But it's turned out quite well for a couple of amateurs doing the jib and whatnot. So gave it a go. Came out pretty good, and hopefully, well, we'll see. We probably won't have it painted realistically till the end of next week, but we might even be able to move in the next week or two. So that is really exciting. Get the office all roughly set up and get the printers in. Power's pretty much ready to go. Very exciting. And then we'll get into the rest of the shop. Bathroom will be up next in the back corner, and then we will start chipping away at everything else. Bathroom, then stock and assembly room, and then these two. Probably work on the kitchenette first when we get back in here, and make some progress on that. So yeah, hope everyone else had a great start to the week. Cheers.